Welcome to a walkthrough of the 2026 Cedar Creek Cottage CRF412FWC, a luxury destination fifth wheel designed to feel like a residential cottage at your favorite campground. Let's start with a look around the exterior, where you can see the full-body style, large patio door, and big slide rooms that create all that space inside. You also get plenty of basement storage and utility connections, so setting up for a long stay is simple. Stepping inside at the front door, the first thing you notice is the storage cabinet to the left. This is a perfect mudroom spot for shoes, jackets, cleaning supplies, or pet gear. As you move into the rear living room, you're greeted by a large entertainment center with a big TV and an electric fireplace.
The comfortable sofa faces the entertainment center and also converts into a pull-out bed, giving guests a space for sleeping.
Just off to the side, a built-in desk creates a dedicated spot for a laptop, paperwork, or a small home office setup. Moving into the kitchen, long, solid surface countertops provide plenty of room for prep and serving. The drawers have deep storage for utensils, cookware, and other kitchen essentials, while the large sink makes cleanup feel easy. Two tall pull-out cabinets hold space for things like seasonings and cooking utensils, keeping things organized and easy to reach. The oven and microwave handle everything from quick snacks to full meals. And the residential-style refrigerator offers the capacity needed for extended stays. Still in the kitchen area, a decorative mirror hangs above a sleek cabinet. Behind those doors is a washer and dryer, turning the Cedar Creek Cottage into a true home away from home and eliminating trips to campground laundry rooms. The freestanding dining table completes this area, giving a comfortable place for meals, games, or morning coffee with a view out the windows. Heading into the bathroom, you first see the large shower, giving you plenty of room to get ready each day. Next to it are convenient towel hooks so everything can dry within easy reach. Beside that is the porcelain toilet in its own open space. On the opposite wall, you have the sink with countertop and cabinet space, plus storage next to it for towels and toiletries. So the whole bathroom feels organized and easy to use.
At the very front is the primary bedroom. Overhead cabinets above the headboard add extra room for bedding and personal items. Opposite the bed, a dresser topped with a TV creates a relaxing spot to unwind at night. Along the front wall, the large wardrobe closet offers hanging space and shelving.
If you're looking for a high-end destination fifth wheel that feels more like a small home than an RV, this 2026 Cedar Creek Cottage 412FWC is a fantastic option. Thanks for taking the tour today. If you have any questions or want to see it in person, be sure to reach out or stop.